Learn Kikuyu language with me, Boniface. Welcome to today's session. I'm excited because it will be a series of lessons. So I'm going to name them number 1, number 2, number 3, like that. So today would like us to address how to identify situations, and we'll start with places. We'll start with location or a place. Ko is just to ask where. If somebody asks you where or where ko, they're asking you where you are. However, where and where ko are different in a sense, because where ko is to ask where are you when the other person is far away. But where is to ask a person, where are you? That is when a person is near. For example, if you're calling a person that is inside the house and you are outside, and you're asking them, where? Because you cannot see them, you will have to ask, where? You see, that person is near, he or she is in another place, another room, or in the house, and you're outside. Therefore, they are near, so you use where. However, if a person is far away, for example, you're in a town and they are in a different town, you could ask them, for example, if you have not seen them for some time, and you ask them, where ko? Then they will tell you, I'm in this and that town. The same case applies for people who have maybe have a history of traveling a lot. So you don't know in a particular time or at a particular time where they are. So you ask, where ko? Therefore, they'll tell you, de Gereda, for example, if they are in the United Kingdom. All right. Harĩa, hena, that is just to ask, what is there? That is, it's somewhere where we can see. For example, the other side of a field where you're not seeing clearly. So you might ask, what is there? Or you're seeing a mob or a crowd of people and you want to know what is happening. So you would ask, Harĩa, hena, it's within sight, but you're not sure what is happening. However, if you ask, kwĩna, now that is somewhere where that's far, where you cannot see. For example, if it's a different town and you want to find out what crop is doing well, you might ask, kwĩna irio irĩkũ, which food? Kwĩna, what is there? That is a place which is far and out of sight. So thank you so much. In the next session, I'm going to take you through a few places, as you can see. Okay.